Today we are going to learn about similar figures. Specifically, we are going to see how to determine if two figures are similar. When you have similar figures, they are not the same size, but they have the same exact shape. So that is very important. Similar figures have the same shape, but they are different sizes. Now, to determine if two shapes are similar, we are going to look at the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are in the same relative position to each other. And a little trick that you can use is looking at the names of the shapes themselves. So here I have triangle DEF and triangle ABC, and I want to determine whether or not they are similar. Well, I'm going to just label the positions of the letters, and that's going to correspond to the sides. So side DE, the first and the second letters, DE, corresponds to AB, the first and the second letter. Then we have EF, the second and the third letter in the first triangle, would correspond to BC, the second and third letters in the second triangle. So BC and EF are corresponding. Using that same logic, the first letter and the third letter in the first shape corresponds to the first letter and the third letter in the second shape. So AC and DF are corresponding sides. So first, let's test out the first set of corresponding sides. We have DE, and we have that is corresponding to AB. And we are going to set up a ratio to see if they are similar. So DE measures 4 and AB is 1. So when you simplify, 4 divided by 1 is just 4. The second pair of corresponding sides we said were EF. So that was not there. This is EF. EF, and then we had BC right here. So EF and BC are corresponding. That was 12, and this was 3. And remember, a fraction bar means division. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So far, the sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides are the same. Let's test out the third pair of corresponding sides, which were DF. We had DF, and that corresponds to AC. So DF and AC, which was 20, and AC was 5. Again, fraction means division. 20 divided by 4 is 4. So all of them gave us 4 when we simplified the ratios. So these two triangles are similar because the measure of the corresponding sides are equal. Whenever we set up our proportions, it's simplified to the same answer each time. So these are similar figures.